Meet Richard. He's been working for a road building company for many years. Richard enjoys his job and he is a loyal employee. But truth be told, Richard is bored. He's even been searching for HEO jobs online. The problem is, Richard has a hard time saving money. But he knows he needs the hands-on training first in order to run a machine. Mike, Richard's crew boss, suspects Richard needs a change too. It's also a slower time of the year for work for them. Suddenly, Mike realizes what to do. After talking to IHE, Mike learns the job grant can be used to train current or future employees. The grant will supply 2/3 of the cost of training, up to $10,000. The company must pay only 1/3 of the normal costs. Paperwork applications are completely filled in by IHE. There is a 30-day processing time. Hearing this great news, Mike offers to send Richard for a 2-week, 100-hour excavator training course at IHE. Richard is overjoyed for the training and development opportunity, and Mike is amazed at how easy and little of his time this all took with IHE's help. Richard was grateful to practice all the real-world tasks he'd be doing back on the job site at IHE first. Best of all, he did not have to pay for anything. Wow! And he has told Mike he plans on working for many more years for the company now. Put the Canada Federal Job Grant to work for you. Don't delay. Call IHE today. IHE, your source to train yourself or your workforce.